Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows Resource Protection found corrupt files but was unable to fix some of them. Type PowerShell in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type repair, -Windows, image, space. -online space. Space, restore health. Type exit from PowerShell. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.